Nobody enters a relationship hoping to feel tired. We all start with the same intention: connection, comfort, someone who feels like home. But somehow, some relationships don't break you loudly. They drain you quietly. It's never obvious at first. There's no big argument, no betrayal, no dramatic moment where you say, "That's it," just a feeling. You're more tired than usual, more careful with your words, more alert. Like you're always adjusting yourself slightly to keep the peace. And because nothing is technically wrong, you start doubting yourself. You say things like, "Maybe I'm overthinking. Maybe this is just how relationships are. They're not a bad person." And you're right. Most draining relationships aren't toxic. They're misaligned. Here's the part nobody prepares you for. You can love someone and still feel exhausted by them. Because love doesn't disappear when compatibility fades. It just gets heavier. Think about it. Some people need constant reassurance. Others need space. Some process emotions by talking. Others by silence. Some grow by confronting problems. Others survive by avoiding them. None of these are wrong. But when two people with different emotional languages keep trying to communicate without a translator, they don't hear each other. They wear each other out. That's why certain conversations go in circles. You explain, they react, they explain, you defend, and both of you leave feeling unheard, even though words were exchanged. Miscommunication isn't about intelligence, it's about emotional wiring. Over time, something subtle happens. You stop bringing things up, not because they don't matter, but because explain feels like work. You start choosing silence over honesty, peace over clarity, and slowly, you begin disappearing inside the relationship. That's the real danger. Not fights, not disagreements, but shrinking. And here's the hardest truth. Some relationships don't end because people stop caring. They end because caring starts costing too much. Emotionally, mentally, physically. You're not weak for feeling drained. You're responding to an environment that asks you to constantly adapt without meeting you halfway. And no amount of love can replace alignment. Healthy relationships don't require performance. You don't rehearse conversations. You don't monitor your tone. You don't feel relief when they leave the room. You feel safe to be ordinary. If a relationship makes you feel guilty for having needs, if you feel calmer alone than together, if you miss who you were before you started managing someone else's emotions, that's not failure. That's information. Not everyone you love is meant to stay forever. Some people enter your life to show you what connection feels like. Others enter to show you what it shouldn't cost. Both matter. Pay attention to how a relationship makes you feel after the conversation ends. Not during the good moments. After. Your nervous system always tells the truth before your mind catches up.